is up, you guys? Kylie Dasher back with another video. I'm going to be showing you beginners that just signed up for DoorDash how to navigate through the app just to make things a little bit more easy to understand. I'm trying to make this video as short, simple as possible because you know I gotta make that money, you know what I'm saying? Alright, you guys, so when you first open the app, you're going to see this map. This is where you're going to be currently located, and you're going to see all the areas that are near you. Now, that red shading that you see, it's going to represent how busy it is in that area. The darker the red shading is, the more busy it is. The lighter it is, the less busy it is in that area. Now, scheduling. Typically, you wouldn't use scheduling if your area is like busy. If your area is not busy, then you'll have to schedule an opening that DoorDash has available. All right, moving on to account. Account is pretty much self-explanatory. It shows you all your information. All right, moving on to rating. Your rating is very important. If you fall below a 4.2 customer rating or 80% completion rate, you can get deactivated. So make sure those customers are happy and try not to unassign yourself from orders you already accepted. All right, last but not least, your earnings. So all of the money that you receive during the week, it'll show up on this chart. You'll be paid every Monday at 12 a.m. Pacific time. There's also two other payment methods that you can use. You can have the ability to get your money sent to your bank account instantly for a small fee of $1.99. The other payment method is for if you don't have a bank account, you can sign up for DoorDash Direct, and DoorDash will send you a prepaid card with your earnings on it. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, if you have questions, comment down below. If you like this video, if you think it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.